Hey everybody, Cathy Shea here. Spring is busting out all over. I'm here to inspire and lift up your heart. We can all use that right now, can't we? So I've titled this newsletter, Self-Reflection plus Self-Care equals Self-Love. So when I explore self-reflection, I start with a simple question. What do I value? I have tangible and intangible things that I value, and this really helps me prioritize and simplify. So why not all of us use this energy of this bursting spring to do mental and physical closet clearing? Why not plant some seeds of joy and be grateful for every moment that I'm breathing? We're still alive. It's a wonderful gift. It is so easy to become distracted by what's important. So now I have turned off all fear-based media news. It doesn't serve me. I can't do anything about it. It's really impossible to know what's true out there, but what's true is in here. So I'm following my heart. I call this compassion in action. Sometimes I need to just stop and say no, even when it's uncomfortable. This requires trusting and surrendering and letting go of that big C word, control. So I'm adopting new C words. I'm looking for coincidences. This is divine order and timing manifesting in my life. And of course it makes space for something new and vital to emerge. Cultivating values like authenticity, transparency, vulnerability, these all lead to creativity. If you want to know more about this process, go to my YouTube, Cathy Shea channel, and click on playlists, and you'll see Brene Brown. She talks about this in an exquisite way, and she's very entertaining. I like her as a role model. So now I have another new C word. It's called compassion. Cultivating compassion for myself helps me become a more full human being. Then I can extend that to others. I'm learning to rest and trust and have faith in the not knowing. This requires so much trust and surrender. I've also been reflecting on how struggles are a natural part of life. I have to remember that whatever happens, I can work with it spiritually. I can find a deeper meaning. I've got to follow my gut feelings. They're real. The gut-brain, head-brain connection is real. So this is a big barometer, and it's good to turn up the volume on that. The great spiritual practice is being with life as it is and being with myself as I am, with gentleness and acceptance. It's a tall order, and that's why it's called a practice. So we start by being good stewards of our bodies. This world of ours is moving through a huge rite of passage right now, and so am I. I want to break free of the shame and all the fear that's being promoted right now. And it requires a course correction because this ship is going in the wrong direction for a long, long time. And it's time to pull up our bootstraps, be fierce, be brave in the face of whatever is showing up. We have to sing a new song of attunement that resonates with our heart brain, gut brain, head brain. So how do I change my perceptions of what's happening right now? The answer is not in any news feed, I can promise you that. What we think about, we bring about. It's time to change my mind. I often go to tapping.com to help with this process. This is a real simple way to change the neurology, especially when negative emotions come up. Very important resource. Find your resources. So when I shift away from the fear and look at these events in the higher realm, it will bring calm to my heart. I believe that's our job right now. Then I can think more clearly and realize and actualize self-care, which is fundamental. I'm going to be offering a free Zoom lesson about transcending and thriving. So stay tuned. I have more to say about self-care leading to self-love.